So we're going to do something a little bit different today. I have got these old paintings that I did, well, maybe a year ago, something like that. And I thought what we could do is make a collage out of your old paintings. You know, you might have something lying around and you think, oh, what shall I do with that? And this is what we're going to do. So I have taped up my cold pressed watercolor paper, and today I am going to use my Meiliang watercolors. I thought it'd be nice to make a border all the way round and let that dry, and then cut some shapes out of these so that we can create a picture. Okay, so let's get going. So to create this border, I'm just dragging that paint down. Dragging it along the tape. You have to make sure that the tape is taped down sufficiently, otherwise you're going to get some seepage. And each layer, we're going to do a few layers. Each layer we are going to let that dry, and then we're going to come back and add another layer. We're going to make a sort of stepped frame to this. I thought that would look nice. So I'm going to let that dry, and then we're going to come back to it and just layer on some more. I've let that dry, and now I've got some more blue paint on my brush. I'm just adding that second layer. So it just makes that colour a little bit darker on the step. Gives it a framing kind of appearance. Down. Trying to keep the lines more or less, you know, straight-ish, but not worrying too much about it. Just guiding the brush across the page and bringing that down like that. So it's not quite straight, but it doesn't really matter, does it? It's as straight as I'm going to get it unless I use a ruler. And I don't really like using rulers. I like to be a little bit free and just see what happens. That's just more me. Okay, so we're going to let that dry again. Okay, so that's nice and dry. So I've got the watercolour picture that I'm going to use, and I thought I'd cut out some leaf shapes. I thought that'd be quite fun to do, and you could either draw this out or you can just do it freehand, a bit like what I'm doing. Quite like doing freehand. See what happens. Doesn't always work out, but that's fine. I'm going to try and utilise as much of this painting as I can. Only got a little bit of it. I've only got 2 strips of this painting. So I need to peel away the tape first, because obviously if you put your collage on top of here, you've still got to peel away that tape and it'll pull your collage off. So I'm just going to heat this up with a hairdryer. Adding a little blue line there because I want that to be my stalk for my little leaves to be attached to. I've got a beige acrylic paint pen there, and I'm just doing these little lines and framing, just adding a little bit more framing to the picture. The brown relates to the leaves because we've got a similar colorway in the leaves, so I thought that just sort of like added reference to the leaves. So just going all the way around, and it looks a little bit like stitching around the edge there, and just completing that. And once I've done that, I am then going to do some lineage on the stalk as well, just to add a little bit of detail there, just to make it less boring than if it's just that blue stripe in the middle. I've got an oil pastel in the red colour, and this is the same oil pastel that I actually used for the original painting. So I'm just adding some little dots around that border just to pretty it up. I think that looks rather nice. Gives a bit of a raised profile when you look at your picture from the side and really ties the picture all together. So just going around that edge, adding these little circle dots, slightly pressing onto the page, and it leaves that lovely mark there. Also doing that down the stalk just to add that little bit of interest, but little tiny marks there. I've got some Mod Podge glue, I've got a flat brush, and I'm just arranging where I want these leaves to go. So I'm just putting them on the page, and I think that looks all right. And then I'm going to be sticking them down. So once they're all stuck down, you will need to find something heavy just to lay that on top, just so they dry nice and flat. And then you can see the finished results here. A lovely bit of texture. I love the way it goes over the border, and I think it's been quite successful. I think I'll do this again. So I hope you like this, and maybe you'll leave me a comment. Maybe you'll like and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.